to Glowmas Day Dose. We have a little puppy walking around right now. We're dog sitting for Charles's mom, so she's just like hanging out, chilling, having a great time, sniffing all the cords. So today we're in front of my Christmas tree because this is a very special day. Actually, when I was thinking about doing this video, I wanted to do a video decorating the tree, and I wanted to like buy a brand new tree because this tree behind me that we ended up using is like literally so old and also was very inexpensive and also like isn't that great. So I wanted to get like a brand new tree. I wanted to decorate it with all of this stuff. I had all of these plans and then everything went awry. I took a bunch of different clips of us doing a bunch of different stuff doing this tree, so I'm gonna insert those throughout, but I felt like it would be kind of fun to like narrate what was happening to you guys. So we're gonna start our journey in the car, where all good journeys start, and we're gonna talk about the tree and everything, and then we'll cut back here and I'll tell you what actually ended up happening. Hi friends!
Hi.
So we're in the car right now. We're going to buy a what?
I don't know.
Are you
Bagels?
joking?
Oh, a Christmas.
Like, we are getting bagels, but the main reason for today's journey is a Christmas tree. The lights are so bad. Yeah, it's really bright out. It's freezing here. That's why we're all bundled up.
Yeah.
It's the cold.
Anyone who's not in New York,
you can't relate.
yeah, be happy, but also be sad.
You really can't understand the struggle, especially upstate New York. We were going to get a real tree, but then we didn't know if that was allowed, and then it just seemed like a lot of work.
Allowed for what though?
The apartment. Yeah, we didn't know if we didn't know if it was allowed in our apartment complex, because some like complexes don't really let you have a tree, and I didn't want to like ask. I wanted to do it, but I didn't want to ask and then have them tell me no, and then they're like looking sus at me. So we're just gonna get a fake one at like Walmart. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Right now we're gonna talk about the theme of the tree and what colors we're gonna do and
This
stuff like that. But we're gonna like let you know when we get to Walmart. We're gonna make a quick stop at Brugger's.
What do you mean theme of the tree?
We need like a color scheme.
Honolulu.
Absolutely not. We're gonna do like a theme talk. We're gonna grab some bagels and then we're gonna go to Walmart and then we'll see you guys there. So say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so as you can see, I was young, I was naive in that moment. I thought the tree would just be this very simple, easy thing to do that would take little to no time and would just be something fun, you know, something enjoyable. Quickly realized that when we got our tree and did our tree, it was Black Friday. So we didn't realize that we were like leaving, because I do most of my shopping online, and when I got my camera on Black Friday, I had gone the night of Thanksgiving. So we didn't like register that it was Black Friday, and we went to a Walmart. I don't know if there's a worse place to be on Black Friday than a freaking Walmart. I'd like to know. So we got to Walmart and it was packed. Like, it was so bad. We had to find, it took forever to find a parking spot. It was completely crowded. Everybody was there and we were like debating if we should still do it, but then we were like, well, we're already here, so we might as well just like get the tree. So we went to Walmart. I'll insert those clips here, those fun little clips of us walking through Walmart. Okay, so we came to the decision and we came to find that the trees were all ungodly expensive. They were so expensive. Like, it was, I know they're like fake trees, so you should like invest in them because they're gonna be there a while and you want to like invest, but we didn't really have the money to invest. We had a very tight budget for doing this tree, and so I was kind of like, I don't know what we're even gonna do here, because we can't afford any of the good trees. The only tree we could afford was like $40, and it was like bad. Like, it wasn't even a good tree, and we already had this tree at home that cost me $20 $2 2 or 3 years ago. So we were like, let's just use this tree, deck it out and all of these things and try to make it look nice. So we ended up not getting a tree, but we got like a ton of decorations, and that's what you guys are about to see because I'm gonna do a little like tree tour, and then you guys kind of see what we ended up putting on the tree and like what happened. There are some really special ornaments on here, so I'm excited for that. Now I guess I'll just show you the process of us doing this. Ow! Ow! The first thing that we did was obviously open the tree and try to get it opened and ready for like spread it out as much as we could because like I said, it's a really bad tree, so we had to like try and make it look not as sparse as it would have. On top of that, we decided we were going to do tinsel and lights because we thought that would look better, and we thought the tinsel would like kind of cover up any like blank spots. So here's the clip of us doing the tinsel. Then we also covered the tree in lights to make it look extra sparkly. We ended up with like 400 lights. Like it was like 200 strings, and they look really cute. I love how the lights turned out and how the tinsel and the lights work together. I think it's really pretty. But the big thing was the ornaments. So we got this like very large pack of ornaments because I was like, well, I want to do a color scheme. And so we like got this big huge pack of like red. We decided on red, green, and gold. Yeah, red, green, and gold because we were like simple, easy, like ba-boom, Christmas. And then we got into like the specialty ornaments.
And there were so many cute like pink and sparkly ones, and I love pink and sparkly things.
And there were also just a lot of cute like little ones that we found. I'll show you guys when I do the tree tour. But we kind of very quickly abandoned the theme that we were going to do, and it turned into this like extravagant whatever we wanted tree. So that's what ended up happening. I also had the idea while we were shopping. I'll show you guys in one second, but I found these like blank gold ornaments that were like a matte gold. I thought it would be really cute if we each wrote something on the ornaments that like something special happened. Like this is the year we got our first apartment together. Technically we're on the same lease together finally, and like hitting 10,000 subscribers and like all of that stuff. So we put that on the tree too, along with all the other things. Those are really special because I feel like those are things we can save and like remember. And yeah, it was just kind of a grabbing everything I saw type of situation that we ended up having a lot of stuff. Fun decorating. We had a lot of fun. Well, I had a lot of fun. I don't think Charles likes decorating things, but he had a lot of fun like helping me pick stuff out. We had a lot of fun doing it. We had a good time. I think the thing I learned is that you can definitely do a tree on a budget because we didn't spend that much money on all of these ornaments. Going to Walmart, especially when you're first starting out as like a couple, because I feel like with my family's Christmas tree, at least this is my family, like my family's Christmas tree is very much like old ornaments. They're ornaments from years and years and years ago. We have like the ornaments we made in first grade. We have like my mom's antique ornaments. Like we have tons of really old ones that we all really cherish and are really special to us. And there's ones that have like special meanings and stuff like that. So I think when we were just starting out, me and Charles, as like our own life, we're trying to work to like accumulate our special ornaments and stuff that we want to keep. But for right now, like we don't really have any. We have like 3 or 4 that we've like collected. So I think the big thing this year for us was that we wanted to fill the tree up, but start collecting ornaments that we could like then bring on into later trees, so that in like 20 years we have a full tree of ornaments that are like ours and are special to us. But I think you can do it on a budget when you're first starting out. I really do. We got a huge thing for like $10 that had like 40 ornaments in it. We got really, really good deals at Walmart. So if you're just like stressed about decorating, you still want to be a little festive, but you're a little stressed, try out Walmart because we found some really good stuff there, and it ended up being like, I think our tree looks really cute, so yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a tree tour right now. Basically, I just want to go through and show you guys some of the ornaments that I think are particularly special, give you guys like an up close view, because unfortunately halfway through us decorating this tree on like the day we decorated, the camera died. So I didn't really have a way to like show you guys at the end what happened. It was my first time filming with the new camera, so a lot of things went wrong. But I wanted to like a little up close and personal tree tour so you guys get to see everything this tree has to offer. So let's just do that real quick. So this is just a little up close view of our tree. It's a little ratchet, as I said, but I think it's really cute. Up here on the top, again, we were supposed to go with like a red, green, and gold theme, but I saw this really pink shiny star and I was like, me. So I bought it for our tree because I just thought it was really, really cute. We have our initials right here. Again, I know it's supposed to be gold, but like we found these little C and H. We thought these were really, really cute. So we decided to throw these up here. This is what the gold bulbs I was talking about, where we kind of wrote, my handwriting is atrocious, but we kind of wrote special little things that happened. So this one is like our second trip to Firefly 2018. That's the music festival we always go to. And we have these cute little ornaments. So what I'm talking about, we got these at Walmart and they're pretty freaking cute. Like, I actually really like how these look. So this is a red cardinal. We got this because Charles's grandma passed away earlier this year. I talked to you guys about that back in January, and this has been like kind of the symbol for her. I know that's like a symbol for a lot of people after they die. A lot of people think that when you see a red cardinal, you're seeing someone you love. And this year it's just like I've seen more red cardinals than ever before in my life. So I actually really believe it. And so we saw this one and I was like, well, that's kind of perfect because I wanted to do something for his grandma and I think it's perfect to have her up here. We also have this little, we got this at the Washington National Zoo. That was the first time I'd ever seen a panda in real life. And if you guys don't know me, pandas are my absolute favorite animal. I think they are the best animal on the planet. Like, they are goals. And so we found this little ornament at the National Zoo and we were like, how freaking cute would this be? So we bought it. We also have another one of those little gold things. One of the things just fell. We also have another one of these little gold bulbs. This was our second trip to Disney this year. We got this cute little ornament that if you blow on it, it spins. We got that from Charles. Bella. 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 We got this from Charles's mom and it's really cute. We like that one. Let's see, these are little snowflakes we got at Walmart. We got these little bulbs. So this one I put up here, this is for you guys. This is my hitting 10K little thing. Because that was really exciting and I was just excited that that happened. So I wanted to throw that up there. We also got this little tiger at another zoo. We love going to zoos. We go to a lot of zoos. And this was when we got at a zoo near us, the Rosamond Gifford Zoo in Syracuse. And he's just a little tiger. He's kind of cute. Over here is... Again, Charles saw this one in like the pink and sparkly section and he was like, wow, that's you. So we bought it. We actually think it's really cute. It's like a very pink and sparkly goose with a lot of feathers. I feel like she really stands out on the tree. So I think that's pretty cute. Another one of those little bulbs I was talking about. This one I think is the one I'm going to try to keep for next year because it's our first apartment together and I think that's really special. Also, forgot I had this. But 2 years ago, I think it was, I ordered one of the Kylie metallic lipsticks for the Christmas collection and it came with this little ornament. And so we found it in our little ornament box and I was like, oh my God, we have to put that on the tree. And then right down here, I am an avid Dunkin' Donuts drinker. And so we have this little Dunkin' Donuts ornament as well. And I think that's pretty much everything. That was the tree tour. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's kind of random and weird, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys a little bit of what we like to do for the holidays. We're not big decorators just because we don't have a lot of money. And we just like, we're never here on actual Christmas. We have to go to like 4 different locations for Christmas. So it's kind of nice to just have us, you know, have our one little tree. There's already a present under the tree that Charles got me, but yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, or just like, or just subscribe, or do neither. I'm honestly just so happy you're watching me. Thank you for being here. All of my social media, everything that's on my face, and all this other fun stuff will be linked in the description box down below, so you should go check that out. And yeah, happy Glowmas Day 2! I'm so excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow's video is like a surprise, but it's gonna be really fun. I'm collabing with one of my favorite people on the internet, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!